This cute single-story ranch-style home is located on a double lot adjacent to the greenbelt area in the gated resort-style community of Westwood Shores on Lake Livingston. The open floor plan allows for lots of natural light in the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The wood-burning fireplace brings warmth and charm to this home. Fresh paint and brand-new carpet add to the appeal. Enjoy the outstanding amenities of Westwood Shores: golf, tennis, pools, loads of social activities, plus all of the fishing, boating, and water sports that Lake Livingston has to offer. If you're looking for a small-town atmosphere with great amenities, this move-in ready home is one you don't want to miss.